This is the Tank T1 Pro. It is a beautiful watch. 5 ATM waterproof, very rugged. It includes Bluetooth calling and Bluetooth streaming of music or whatever you want from your phone. This has been added here. Also, telephones, contacts, and call records have been added. But everything else is the same as the T1. You've got your standard basic workouts in here, your workout records that show you what you've done in the past. You have all of the different biometrics of heart rate, blood pressure, blood oxygen, last night's sleep time, notifications, weather, the female component in here of where you are in your cycle, if you have that set up, breath training, you name it, it is on here. You got all of that, plus the same complement of different watch faces that you can choose from as well. We've got a camo band on this one, which is available, or you can get basic black or green camo. You have a speaker and microphone in this one. There's the speaker. And again, it's 5 ATM waterproof, so you get Bluetooth calling and a rugged waterproof watch. It's called the Tank T1 Pro. Check it out.